जंय आता सरकार जायना प्रेसिडेंट्स रूल लागलो आणि परत इलेक्शन जालें सगळ्यात चड फायदो कोणा जातलो
हांव सांगता
बीजेपी
देर आर टू
I'll come to you. I'll come to you.
देर आर टू एस्पेक्ट्स
तेका चांस दिलो तेणे कोरोना म्हणून
चांस तुमके चांसाची
लार्जेस्ट पार्टी कह रही है कि हमको चांस दिया सिंगल लार्जेस्ट पार्टी है 31 सीट दी है आपको
तो 7
आप सरकार बनाइए
तो 6 सीट
और
मांगता है ना 5 सीट मांगता है
हमने
ना
तो
तो आप दे दो आप बोलो ये कंडीशन हमारा है आप
तो
कंडीशन दे दो ये हमारा एजेंडा है ये कंडीशन है हम आपको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं हम देख रहे हैं आपको ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं आप ये सब वो करो
both are right
लोगों के पास वापस गया मैं अभी लिख के देता हूँ लोगों के पास वापस आप गया तो लोग आपको 28 से 0 बनाएंगे
0 ओके What is your analysis?
नहीं, देखिए,
If election happens again,
देखिए कांग्रेस इज नॉट इन द डिक्टेटिंग टर्म और एनीथिंग
no, but who will
Bharatiya Janata Party has emerged as the largest party in that particular house. It surely becomes their responsibility to run the government with whatever they have to do. Notwithstanding this, if they don't do it, and if there is a presidential form of government, in 6 months, when we go for elections during the 2014 Lok Sabha elections, there will be a number of issues which will be completely divergent.
That advantage will be
For whom? For whom?
There will be a divergent issues.
Advantage for whom?
See, here again, as I said, when
won't say
BJP
this
was
for
given the
BJP.
largest mandate, they still were not able to form the government. Now the issue is that Congress, having lost, the tallest leaders of the party in Delhi have lost, like Sheila Dikshit ji. There is bound to be an element of sympathy which will attract to her.
For losing the election. She doesn't have a sympathy, that's why she lost the election.
No. In politics, this doesn't work.
no, if somebody dies maybe
In
they will have
politics,
sympathy.
this doesn't work. In politics, it works differently, and that is what we want you to understand.
That it will
That
benefit
it is not
Congress.
enough.
It
is
will
not
benefit
enough.
Congress.
how it
See,
happened in
it is not
Chhattisgarh
enough.
something
It is
like
not
that
enough to
happened
say.
in Delhi they'll win
Let me tell you.
You are saying it will benefit Congress.
What BJP is saying is right. Aam Aadmi Party will lose its whatever base that they have created for themselves.
You are not saying who will gain, you are saying they will surely lose.
No, we will definitely
Aam
get
Aadmi
more
Party
seats.
can always say Aam
this
Aadmi
is
Party
a-
can
more
say
seats.
that
See,
okay
this is
we are supporting on issue based politics you have the
okay.
hand you throw it out of the
See, my point is, well, I'll come to you.
they don't
My
want
point
to
is
get their
very
own
simple.
support of the BJP
My point is
I
very
am
simple.
asking you a pointed
No, no.
question. I am asking you a pointed question. Congress lost. Onion prices are today 28 rupees a kilo in Delhi. Why did that happen?
because Congress lost.
No. no. Because the trading community, which is always with BJP, opened up their storages and hoarding.
Okay.
And allowed the process to come out.
Oscar, the issue is simple.
और सरकार आपकी थी और
See,
चुपचाप देखते
Oscar,
रहे
the
इसकी
issue is
होल्डिंग की
simple.
प्रपोज
देखिए,
आप कुछ
issue
कर
is
नहीं
simple.
सके
दिल्ली में भी सरकार है और देश में भी सरकार है
मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको
एक मिनट
प्याज ये एसेंशियल कमोडिटीज एक्ट
जितेंद्र बाबू,
आते हैं
बनाने को होता है
तो बना दो
लोगों को क्यों
आप लोग सुधारो
नहीं हो सकता।
आपको विधायक
सारी
कानून बनाने
सब्जियां
के लिए
सारी सब्जियां
My point is very simple. My point is now
इनकी
that people
सरकार
have
आने के बाद
realized. Jiten
आप
Bab,
खुद कर सकते हैं लेकिन वो करना नहीं चाहते आप
Jiten Bab, I'll
हम
come to
करके
you.
दिखाएंगे
नहीं
सर
करेंगे आप।
रुकिए रुकिए सर
नहीं करेंगे आप
The point is, there were a number of people who had serious doubts about Aam Aadmi's performance. They thought that they might not cross 15. Now those fence sitters who probably chose BJP, considering that let there be a decisive mandate, realize that Aam Aadmi Party is a force not just to recognize, but a force that can come to power. If election happens again, don't you think those fence sitters will shift towards Aam Aadmi Party and will benefit them more?
There are depends on when the election.
Sir,
is
one
held. If you
I'll come to
let
you.
me tell you, the BJP's ex-president of that party, national president of that party, had called Aam Aadmi Party a chiller party.
Okay, I'll come to you.
So what are we looking at?
शिलाजी भी नाम लेना
First thing I
आम
must-
आदमी कौन
yes,
है वो
First thing I
don't
must
know आम आदमी.
concede
Yeah.
is that for the first time in the history of the debate,
Yes.
Dr. Oscar Rebello has been outshouted. Because normally that prerogative is Dr. Oscar Rebello.
That prerogative is with politicians.
Okay, so
Let me put
what is your
let me put the
Yes,
point clear.
yeah.
As far as winning or losing, I don't know. Because if it happens, if the if the assembly election after the president's rule happened
Together
to the
with
parliamentary
Lok Sabha.
election, I would think a lot of the BJP, buzz around Modi could rub off on the BJP, and the BJP could come to power with that. If it happens at any other point of time, the Aam Aadmi Party certainly would be able to make waves. See, the point I'm trying to make, Pramod, is that Nilesh and Jitendra are also very right, because this formation of government, or politics per se, real politics, is a very, very difficult game, and at points of time you've got to adapt, at points of time you've got to change, you've got to negotiate, you've got to push your way around, you've got to jostle, as long as you can get your agenda forward.
Correct.
You understood? For instance, let me give you an example. The BJP all along for the last 20 years, I remember, growing up with political thought, it was like the Aam Aadmi Party. We are the party with the difference. L.K. Advani has said in majestic isolation, we will sit in the opposition. We will never touch any of these Congress fellows or any of these other secular allies, pseudo-secular allies at that point of time. But eventually even the BJP had to undergo modifications. Why? Because they realized if they wanted to keep their cadre, if they wanted to keep their workers, if they wanted to keep their voters happy, you have to come to power at some point of time. So you've got to make compromises, you've got to negotiate. So therefore you have Manohar Parrikar, when he's the leader of the opposition, criticizing and lampooning Mickey Pacheco and Churchill Alemao and whoever else, and Babush Monserrat and whoever else. But to come to power, or once he's in power, then he will negotiate with everybody.
They would even speak a lie.
Okay.
Other than Mahatma Gandhi, everybody else in India has spoken a lie. I mean, 1.2 crores. Only Mahatma Gandhi spoke the truth. The rest of us all speak lies. Let's not get into that.
Yeah.
So the point I'm trying to make is the Aam Aadmi Party has got this wonderful space for itself. It's in a perfect position to take the moral high ground. I agree with that. But at some point of time, they will have to devise some kind of a strategy of which are the political parties they are going to be touching, even if it is with a barge pole, to come to power. They cannot remain a disruptive force for the rest of their political life. That is the point.
Point बहुत simple है. मतलब जो नीलेश ने कहा, and even जितेंद्र बाब said कि with their experience it's a very difficult job. अगर लोग सुबह घर पे आते हैं, अलग-अलग चीजें मांगते हैं. It might start with कि मेरे बच्चे की स्कूल की फीस भरनी है तो उसके लिए पैसे दे दो, या और कुछ टूर्नामेंट करना है उसके लिए पैसे दे दो, ये करना है वो करना है. लोग आके घर पे बैठ जाते हैं. लेजिटिमेट डिमांड होती है, इलेजिटिमेट डिमांड होती है. आप कैसे हैंडल करेंगे इसे? क्या जो बंदा आपके घर पे आएगा, आप उसको बोलोगे कि ये हमारे प्रिंसिपल में नहीं बैठता, तुम वापस चले जाओ?
नहीं, मैं एक बात जो नहीं मुझे समझ में आ रही है, शायद हम इस देश की जनता को समझने में इतनी बड़ी पार्टियां गलती कर रही है. इस देश की जनता इतनी बेईमान है, इतनी निकम्मी है, ऐसा मान के ही अभी तक वो लोग राज कर रहे हैं. और मुझे लगता है कि ये वो ठीक नहीं है. इस देश की जनता भी स्वाभिमान से जीना चाहती है, स्वाभिमान से जीना चाहती है, लेकिन आपने एक ऐसा एटमॉस्फेयर खड़ा कर दिया इस देश में कि उनके लिए ईमानदारी से जीना आपने मुश्किल कर दिया. उस स्थिति को बदलने के लिए हम आए हैं.
नीलेश का सवाल है.
I agree. Here Nilesh and Jitendra can afford to laugh, but I think Baba has got a very, very.
No, sir.
The point is, I do not agree.
See, Mr.
I
Oscar,
think
go
what
to
I'm going to shout this out.
saying is,
I'm going to shout this out.
Go to Uttarakhand.
One more.
See, what
I
he is
think
saying is
Nilesh,
correct. No, he is correct, Oscar.
Yeah.
Who is saying he is not correct?
Right.
But what I am trying to say is, see, there is different types of sections of society.
No, I agree. No,
let me clarify.
Yeah.
I'm not saying
that is politics. That is politics.
No, I'm asking,
what he is trying to say and what Aam Aadmi Party is trying to do, even if it is not explicitly expressed it, is they are trying to put in systems in place. It might take another 10 years, might take 50 years, we may be dead. They are trying to put systems in place so that the last common denominator, the weakest man in our society, doesn't have to run to
I want to ask Oscar a question, boss.
Yeah.
Okay, sure.
Oscar,
Go ahead.
how many times you have taken money for voting?
Taken money for voting? Never,
No.
obviously.
So why are you putting that? Why are you going along with what he is
No,
saying?
I'm not saying.
No, he is saying that same thing.
No.
What is he
What
saying?
he's trying to say is that do not assume that the people of India are helpless and require these.
I will not
That's what
agree.
he's saying.
I will not
He's
agree with
saying
Doctor.
Just
that
one minute.
putting
Just one minute.
systems in
Aam
place.
Aadmi has
So
various
tomorrow-
spectacles.
One moment,
They
Jitendra.
are
Tomorrow, for an LPG connection,
Yes.
for an electrical connection, for a phone bill, the common man on the street does not have to go to his local MLA or a politician to get those services.
For
Tomorrow,
goodness
Let
sake,
a system be put in place. And this is what they are
doesn't
going
work.
to do.
I'm asking a very valid question. Very valid
No, you
question.
can't say it is not going to work. Of course it
No,
will work.
I'm
Why
telling
not?
you.
No. This
I'll
is
come to you, I'll
defeatist.
come to you.
This is completely
Attitude,
defeatist.
Our-
Whether
our-
Congress,
our-
BJP
I am
or Aam
asking
Aadmi
you-
Party, they have to put systems in place
Okay.
to make life
All right,
simple.
I'm asking a valid question.
Let me ask you, what is the
1.2 billion people.
एक minute.
If it is not there, it's got to be all of us have to work towards it.
You ask
Yes,
Oscar, what are the common people's problems?
Okay,
All.
What is all? You
Getting
define-
all this,
Oscar,
getting
Oscar,
getting
Oscar,
a simple
just one
ration
minute.
card, getting a simple ration card,
Define.
getting a simple, I'm defining,
I
getting
will
a simple
tell you, I
electrical
will tell
connection,
you. I
getting
will
a
ask
simple
you.
telephone
Let me
connection.
tell you,
Why
doctor.
must that person come to you?
Doctor,
so
I
that
will tell you
you
something.
phone the
Don't have
electrical
to
engineer
come.
to get
I
the
will
electrical?
explain.
No, I don't accept.
I will explain.
Let me
People
tell
of
you
India,
something.
people, no, I want to clarify.
No,
People
this
of
is-
India.
No, no, I
will
do not
explain.
agree.
There are
India.
people who have
Doctor-
come from
Doctor is
Karnataka
living in an
to
era
Goa.
This
of
is-
They have come
God,
from
Jesus
Karnataka to
Christ.
Goa.
This is-
He's not
But
fit
he
to
said
be
the
a
ration
Jesus
card,
Christ.
to make a
Okay.
ration card, but why they have to come
Okay,
to us?
I am Lucifer reincarnated. I am not Jesus Christ. Jesus
बाबा जी,
Christ. No
बाबा
way
जी,
I
मेरा
can-
एक सीधा साधा सवाल है जो
Well, don't
मैं
be as
नीलेश
corrupt as
मैं
Lucifer.
नीलेश की तरफ से पूछना चाहता हूँ जितेंद्र बाबू एक मिनट जो नीलेश की तरफ से पूछना चाहता हूँ उनका कहना यह है कि कल एक लड़कों का ग्रुप आता है जिनका गांव में एक क्लब है वो टूर्नामेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करना चाहते हैं उन्हें मदद चाहिए
ये ना
और वो
कहिए।
आपके पास आएंगे नीलेश जी अगर वो हारे कल भी फिर भी उन्हें मदद करेंगे कुछ तो पैसे
लेकिन
निकाल के
यहाँ
देंगे
तो
कि करो।
पैसे की बात ही
आप
नहीं हो रही है।
कहेंगे कि बॉस ये हमारे तत्वों में नहीं बैठता ये बहुत गलत है हम आपको मदद नहीं
पहली
करेंगे
बात-
ऐसी राजनीति को आप कैसे हैंडल करेंगे
पहली बात
बोलते हैं
पहली बात आप गलती कहाँ कर रहे हो
हम।
गलती वहां कर रहे हो कि जहां सरकार की जिम्मेदारी है और सरकार अपनी जिम्मेदारी निभाने में ऐसी क्लब और बच्चों को आज आप पूरा प्लेग्राउंड और सुविधाएं नहीं दे रहे हो आप इतना बड़ा लुजोफेनिया या क्या क्या या गोवा में कर रहे हो इसकी जगह पे आप 100 अच्छे प्लेयर को ट्रेनिंग देने के लिए पैसा नहीं है आपके पास लेकिन ground है आपके पास
उनके पास
नीलेश काबरा
हाँ, पूछिए सर।
पूछ रहा हूँ साहब आपको आप जो बोल रहे हैं कि सरकार ये 100 बच्चे के लिए आप प्रोविजन नहीं कर रहे हैं इसलिए बच्चे टूर्नामेंट कर रहे हैं
और पैसे मांगने आते हैं
पैसे मांगने ऐसा आपका
बिल्कुल।
मतलब यू आर फीलिंग दैट मेरे को जो एक वाड़ा मतलब वाड़ा मतलब गोवा में थोड़ा थोड़ा
मोहल्ला,
वाड़ा रहता है मोहल्ला रहता है
हाँ।
उसमें रहता है 300 लोग 300 लोग में से 100 बच्चे रह गए 100 बच्चे में वो हर बच्चा चाहता है कि हम कुछ करें
टूर्नामेंट
हम
करें।
आगे जाए
हम टूर्नामेंट
हमारे
करें।
नाम पे टूर्नामेंट हो
हाँ।
तो उसके लिए कहाँ सरकार जिम्मेदार है
बिल्कुल सरकार जवाबदार है
वहां पे
देश
लोकल एमएलए को मदद
के एक नागरिक और खास करके जो एकदम गरीब और पिछड़ा हुआ नागरिक है उसकी संभाल लेने की जिम्मेदारी सरकार की है
तो उसको
यदि
बराबर
सरकार
उसको-
जिम्मेदारी नहीं निभा पा रही
उसको
है
साहब उसको इसको खेलने के लिए भी नहीं आता है, लेकिन वो चाहते हैं कि हम खेले
ओके, और
तो
उसको
सरकार
मिल-
क्या
तो-
अभी
और उसको
गोवा में
नीलेश भाई मदद कर
15
रहे
लाख
हैं।
पॉपुलेशन
This
जो है
this I will take Nilesh's side क्योंकि
Yeah.
बाबा is saying सरकार की जिम्मेदारी है निलेश is saying सरकार बनाओ और जिम्मेदारी ले लो
जितेंद्र भाई ना मगे प्रश्न साधवा मुझे प्रश्न साधवा आर यू सेइंग you said Oscar doesn't know grassroots Baba doesn't know grassroots what is the grassroots that people will come and ask for money and you will have to give money
No, I
so
see.
your
Money is not
many of the
it is
voters
not so simple.
money is not everything.
It is not so simple. There is always help. Now, for instance, I'll give you an instance. There's one gentleman who came to me and said, I want to have surrender my passport for getting a Danish passport or whatever that passport. Not Portuguese passport, some other passport. And I'm going to Denmark as a citizen of Denmark. I called up the office and I said, what has happened? I went to that office, I was humiliated and insulted by an ordinary person who's the secretary of the
passport office
passport officer. Not even the passport officer because he was busy with some other people. We don't blame him. But his secretary is humiliating us. What do I have to do? If I said that go by the rule of law, like they look at it in a different spectacles. They have multiple spectacles. Mind you, they have an MLA who molested a girl on the day of his election. There are 11 people out of 20.
so what is the
28.
point Jiten what is the point
So, what I'm saying is, every time any work is to be done, this work cannot be done by sweeping away that thing.
so
in
you
the-
sometimes you have
under
to keep the
carpet.
law aside You are saying
I'm not saying
somewhere
law side.
you have to
Not
keep
law
the law
side.
side.
Go out of the
no.
way and help him.
Out of the way is keeping the law side.
No.
What they're trying
मैं
to
ये
say
कह
is
रहा हूँ
that
कि ऐसे 4
it's a-
अधिकारियों पे आप कड़क
No,
एक्शन
I will tell you-
उसके बाद कोई अधिकारी ऐसी